Here's how to animate your virtual locker in Google Slides. Go to Slide, Duplicate, then delete about half your objects. Repeat that same step. Go to Slide, Duplicate, and delete a few more objects. Now empty the locker. Slide, Duplicate, and delete all the objects. Now you have 4 slides: empty, partly full, half full, all the way full. It's easy to animate Google Slides. Go to File, Publish to the Web. Choose every second. Click both these boxes. This one starts your animation automatically. This one loops it. Hit Publish. Say OK. Control-C on your keyboard will copy this link. Close that box. Here's how you save the link and play your animation. Go to the Text tool. Draw a text box in the empty locker. Control-V to paste. Hit Enter. That makes it a live link. To view your animation, just click on the link. Here's those steps again. File, Publish to the Web. Choose every second. Click both boxes and say Publish. Choose OK. Control-C copies the link. Save the link by choosing the text box, drawing a box, Command-V to paste, hit Enter for a live link. There's no need to hand this in again because Google Slides automatically updates your project.